Right folks, I'll do a few videos, I haven't done any for a while, so I'm just going to start off with some tallish cylinders, trumpety shaped things. These are about £2.5 to play, so not enormous. I'm just going to do one little lift first and then I'll do a single knuckle lift just to get some extra height. So just collar this in on the bottom as well so it doesn't flare out when I lift it up a bit taller. So I'm just going to do one knuckle lift now. I'm not even going to slow my wheel down. Tidy this up and get it all the same thickness by just keeping my hands in the same position and just moving it all the way up the cylinder. Just get it all the same width. So that's the first shape, that's just a straight sided cylinder. So, cylinder vase. So we'll just moving on from that, still the same sort of technique, but we'll do a more of a little slightly flared out shape. So I'm probably going to do a lot of videos in the next few days and weeks, so I'm going to probably put them all on whether you like it or not, because it's getting to the stage on YouTube where I need to start putting some videos on because I'm just getting 0 views for some reason now. I think they're concentrating on these short videos now, which you can't really do. When something takes 5 minutes to make, the average sort of mental lifespan of the world's gone to 30 seconds by the looks of it. Again, just going to collar it in. Do another knuckle lift. disaster strikes, gone too thin. See if we can get past it. So with this shape, if I can manage it now, because I've gone a little bit too thin at the bottom, I want it to be a slightly wider at the bottom, going narrower towards the middle, and flaring out again at the top. I think I managed to get away with that. I can turn all this tomorrow when it's a bit harder. You can see it's a little bit wobbly at the bottom because I pushed in a little bit too hard and it went a bit thin. And because this clay is quite soft, I nearly flopped it live. So that's the second shape. Like I said, a little bit more flared out. I'll try and do another one of those without messing it up. Like I said, this clay is quite soft, so it does have a tendency to lose its strength if you go a little bit too thin. So, just remember not to push in too far at the bottom. A little bit baggy at the bottom. That's the trouble with you get soft clay. So there we go, that's 3 vases, 2 different shapes. So that's about it.